Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about sets in JavaScript. So set is a built-in data structure that used to store and manage collection of data. So the set contains only unique elements, it does not contain any duplicate values. So let's now see how we can create one set nums. So we have to write new set, and then inside that we can directly pass one array with unique values, and this is the way we can create our set. So if you console log, so you can see we have the set with 4 unique elements. And there is other way we can create the set. First of all, we are gonna create one set value, new set, which can be initially empty, and then we can use the add method. So we can use the add method to add values to our empty set. And if you console log, so you can see we have created another set with 3 unique elements. So let's now see how we can iterate over our set. So we can simply use the for each loop to iterate over the set. Like an example, we can iterate over this nums. So for this we have to use nums dot for each, and this takes one function with the value. So now we're just gonna simply console log all the individual values. So you can see we're successfully accessing all the set elements. So here we are using the for each loop to iterate over the num set. So in every iteration we are accessing all the individual item and then logging them on the console. So in the first iteration, 1 is accessed through the value and then logging it, and in the second iteration we are accessing the value 2. So this way we are able to access all the elements and logging them on the console. And also we can use the values method. So the values method basically returns a iterable object containing all the values in a set. So for this we can use the for of loop. So we're gonna use for, and then we have to create one variable. This will hold all the individual items, and then we have to write of, and then we're gonna create one iterable of the set. So we're gonna write nums dot values, and that's it. So nums dot values would return one iterable object containing all the set values, and then we can just simply access them and log them on the console. So you can see we are accessing the values. And also we have some other important set method like the delete method. So the delete method used to remove elements from the set. Like an example, we can remove one element from the num set. So we have to write nums dot delete, and here we have to pass the element that we wanted to delete, element 1, then we have to just pass it. And then if we just console log, so you can see now the set has only 3 elements, 2 3 4. So the element 1 has been removed. So let's now talk about the has method. So the has method used to check whether one value exists in the set or not. So we can check nums dot has, and then we have to pass 1. So we are checking if 1 is in the num set or not. So you can see we are getting false because we just deleted 1 from the set. So if we check if 2 is there or not, so you can see it is true because 2 is in the set. So let's now talk about the size property of the set. So the size property returns the size or the number of elements in a set. Like an example, we can write nums dot size, and you can see we are getting 3 because the num set has 3 elements. So this way we can create one set and we can iterate over the set using different methods, and then we can delete elements from the set, and we can check whether element is in the set or not, and also we can check the size of the set by using the different methods and properties. So hope you understand about set in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.